Have you ever stood in front of your door on Memorial Day and thought, something's missing? What if that missing piece was more than just decoration? What if it was a bold tribute, a beautiful memory, a symbol of honor right at your doorstep? Memorial Day wreaths are more than red, white, and blue. They're stories woven in flowers, fabric, and tradition. If you've been wanting to create a wreath that really means something that catches the eye and touches the heart, stay with me. We're diving into powerful Memorial Day wreath decor, ideas you can create, customize, and display with pride.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
How can you create a DIY tiki bar for your luau? A tiki bar serves as both a functional beverage station and a decorative focal point. Construct the bar using bamboo panels or thatch. This gives an authentic island appearance. Decorate with tropical accents. Add elements like tiki masks, string lights, and colorful signage. Offer a selection of tropical drinks. Serve classics like Mai Tais pina, coladas, and non-alcoholic fruit punches. Interested in building your own tiki bar? Check the description for products featured in this video. What are the essential elements for a Hawaiian Luau party? To capture the essence of a Hawaiian Luau, focus on incorporating traditional elements that evoke the island's rich culture and natural beauty. Start with vibrant floral decorations. Hibiscus flowers, plumeria, and tropical foliage can be used to adorn tables, create leis, and enhance the overall ambiance. Incorporate traditional attire. Encourage guests to wear grass skirts, aloha shirts, and flower crowns to fully embrace the luau spirit. Set the mood. With island music, play traditional Hawaiian tunes or ukulele melodies to create a relaxing and festive atmosphere. If you're enjoying these ideas, don't forget to like and share this video with your friends planning their own luau. What are some creative table setting ideas for a luau? A well-decorated table serves as the centerpiece of your luau, offering both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Opt for tropical-themed tableware. Plates and napkins featuring pineapples, flamingos, or palm leaves add a fun touch. Use natural materials. Bamboo placemats, coconut bowls, and wooden utensils contribute to an authentic island feel. Add edible centerpieces. Arrange fresh fruits like pineapples, mangoes, and papayas in decorative displays that guests can enjoy. For more inspiration on table settings, check out the playlist linked in the description. How can you incorporate traditional Hawaiian elements into your party? Infusing your luau with cultural elements pays homage to Hawaiian traditions and enriches the guest experience. Host a hula dance performance, whether by professionals or enthusiastic guests. It's a lively way to showcase Hawaiian dance. Offer lei-making stations. Provide flowers and materials for guests to craft their own leis, a symbol of affection and welcome. Serve traditional Hawaiian cuisine. Dishes like kalua pig, poi, and poke bring authentic flavors to your celebration. To stay updated on more cultural party ideas, make sure to subscribe to our channel. What are some fun activities to engage guests at a luau? Keeping guests entertained ensures a memorable event filled with laughter and enjoyment. Organize limbo contests. This classic game is a hit among all age groups and adds a playful challenge. Set up a photo booth. Provide props like ukuleles, straw hats, and oversized sunglasses for fun snapshots. Plan a coconut bowling game. Use coconuts as balls and set up pins for a tropical twist on bowling. Looking for more activity ideas? Explore the additional videos listed in the description. How can you create a DIY tiki bar for your luau? A tiki bar serves as both a functional beverage station and a decorative focal point. Construct the bar using bamboo panels or thatch. This gives an authentic island appearance. Decorate with tropical accents. Add elements like tiki masks, string lights, and colorful signage. Offer a selection of tropical drinks. Serve classics like Mai Tais pina, coladas, and non-alcoholic fruit punches. Interested in building your own tiki bar? Check the description for products featured in this video. Bringing the spirit of Hawaii to your backyard is all about embracing the aloha spirit, hospitality, warmth, and joy. By thoughtfully incorporating traditional elements, engaging activities, and vibrant decorations, your luau will not only be a celebration but a cherished memory for all who attend. Mahalo for joining us on this journey to create the ultimate Hawaiian luau party.